Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. I noticed that there are times of the year when my channel traffic suddenly goes up. Reading the comments, it turns out this is due to DST, Daylight Saving Time, where viewers use my videos as a reference to adjust their watches. So, thank you for watching. I really hope the videos help. Anyway, I don't live in an area with DST, but I can imagine the painful process of adjusting time on some watches, especially older and basic Ana-Digi modules where the analog hands don't automatically sync with the digital time. So here let me show you how to spot Ana-Digi models that make the DST adjustment easier. The key difference lies in how the hand adjustment or hand setting is done. As a note, my experience is mostly with Casio, but I believe the same principle applies to other brands as well. This tip also applies if you travel often to different time zones, where you need to readjust the analog hands to match the local time. Okay, to start, you will need to check the user manual or YouTube tutorials for your watch. Number 1. The good type. If the analog hands are adjusted by setting them to 0 or 12 o'clock position, then that's a good sign. When you exit the hand setting mode, the hands will automatically sync and match the digital time. Moving the time forward or backward on the digital display will also move the analog hands automatically. Examples of this type include AQS810, AQS820, GA2100, GA700, and GA100. These models are great for people in DST regions or frequent travelers. Number 2. The less convenient type. If the hand adjustment is done by manually matching the analog hands to the digital time, then it's not ideal for DST. On these watches, changing the digital time does not change the analog hands, so you will have to manually move the hands again to match the digital time. Examples for this type are AEQ110, HDC700, AQ800E, and AW590 or 591. And yes, that's all for this video. If you have any additional information or different experiences, please share them in the comments below. It will be very helpful for me and also for the other viewers. Thank you for watching and have a great day.